from the minds who carve a space cannon out of a planet. A sun-crushing extravaganza so exciting, you'll pop your restraining bolt.
I find your lack of faith disturbing.
The dark side cannot shield you forever.
Grandmaster Yoda has fallen.
A valiant effort. You are as clumsy as you are stupid. Their presence is strong.
Kills you. Nourishes me. I'm glad few would place a bounty on you.
I lack the patience to dispose of assassins.
An unexpected turn for boss.
Jedi's patience only goes so far.
No.
How very uninspired.
You cannot resist. You have failed. You cannot flee.
There is no death, there is the Force.
You defy me? The price of insurgence. Shall we continue?
There is no emotion, there is peace.
You cannot hide. So predictable.
Even the Dark Lord of the Sith was not up to this task.
I sense your fear.
Serve well.
Don't get sloppy.
Ray is out of the game.